Hi viewers, welcome to my next video, the 4 parts of yoga. Before going to the subject, please like, subscribe and press the bell button and share. Learnings and sharings. 4 parts of yoga gives psychological needs, safety needs, belongingness and love needs, esteem needs and self-actualization. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yoga, and in Hindi it is jodh, and joining in English. Yoga marga is by 4 ways: emotionally, intellectual, physical activity and meditative stage. Let's see in detail about the 4 parts of yoga: Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Karma Yoga. Raja Yoga is the royal path, which is meditation, meditative stage. Helps to control body, thought, energy, senses and mind. And the next is Jnana Yoga. Teaches a person knowledge, wisdom and intellect. This is wisdom, discovery of inner truth and spiritual practice. And the next one is Bhakti Yoga. Teaches a person to have devotion, and this is related to devotion, expression of singing, chanting and devotion. And the next one is Karma Yoga. Teaches to involve joyfully. This is related to motivation, selfless and no desire on rewards. And the important point is all this 4 path which leads to the same destination. The path of Yoga Marga allows us to use all our senses, all our emotions and all our actions to express love in our daily interactions and offer them to whatever form of God suits our individual personalities and culture upbringing. Depends upon your personality, you can choose any path. Let us see in detail what is Raja Yoga. The greatest sage Patanjali was the follower of Raja Yoga. In Raja Yoga, yoga is practiced to gain mastery over the mind through willpower. Under Raja Yoga, 2 branches are available. One is Bahiranga Yoga and the another one is Antaranga Yoga. Bahiranga Yoga is external or outer path of yoga, controlled by 4 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, that is Yama, Niyama, Asana and Pranayama. Sometimes it is Pratyahara also. Antaranga Yoga. This is internal or inner path of yoga, controlled by 3 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga, that is Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. It awakes the mind and soul of yogi. And about Bhakti Yoga, greatest Guru Sri Ramanujacharya was main follower of Bhakti Yoga. Aims to help a person evolve emotion maturity, love for society and to spread the message of universal brotherhood and oneness, desire, sacrifice, love, surrender in the form of bhakti. This leads to satisfaction and calmness in mind. There are 9 forms in bhakti: Shravan, listening; Smarana, remembering; Archana, worshipping; Dashya, servitude; Atma Nivedana, surrender to self; Kirtana, praising; Pada Sevasana, rendering service; Vandana, paying homage; Shakya, friendship. And about the Jnana Yoga, greatest Guru Shankara is a follower of his stream. This path helps to developing a logical mind with intuitive knowledge and immense awareness. There are 3 types in this. Shravana, the first exposure to knowledge in any form of reading books, listening to a lecture and watching video. Manana, revisiting the knowledge for further understandings. Nididhyasana, the phase of experiment. The ultimate goal is to understand the reality of Atma, soul or Chaitanya, and the ability to differentiate it from the body. self-realization and union with universal self. And about Karma Yoga, the Bhagavad Gita remains the main source of the conceptual basis of Karma Yoga. It was later elaborated by Swami Vivekananda. This path emphasizes on performing actions with detachments without worrying about the results. Actions categorized in 3 types: Tamasic, Rajasic and Sattvic. State of delusion and confusion is Tamasic. Egoism and a lot of efforts is Rajasic. Sattvic, free from attachment and done without love or hatred. And finally, it is all about the reflection of our inner world to the outer world. Be grateful and everything will be great. We'll meet again in my next video, learnings and sharings.